Yo, 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 what's up with the Facebook family? It's Ant coming to you live here from my home here in Dallas, Texas. I got a great topic for everybody today, pretty much. But hey, as you're coming on in, feel free to let me know where you're tuning in from, what part of the country you're getting to watch this from, and if you're even getting a chance to check out the replay, let me know in the comments that you're checking out the replay. But we're gonna get kicked off here in a little bit. I'm just gonna let Facebook know, let everybody know that I'm live. But today's topic is about goals. You know, we all pretty much gonna need to have goals in our life if we want to accomplish something. But get kicked off here in just a second, y'all. Just a second. Let's see. Wish it was rapper shit. That's cool. Let's see it later. But hey, um, let's get rolling here. Let's get rolling. Like today, like I mentioned, today's topic is about goals. And so, like always, I love to pop off with a question. You know, get to ask you, get you to thinking about everything. So, my question for everybody today is: do you have your goals wrote down? You know, maybe it's some daily goals, some weekly goals, your monthly goals, and your year goals. I believe all of us should pretty much have all of it. And I say that because those are what's gonna push you every single day. That's what's gonna allow you to go forward and reach those dreams and everything like that. So I say that's I say that's very important because a lot of us have, you know, at the beginning of the year, you know, a lot of us have these New Year's resolutions. So we'll have this year goal, and we'll just have a year goal. But what happened to their monthly goal? So you got to break it down to quarterly goals, you know, half year goals, and you know, just so you can have something to push for. So it's the second half of the year now. So don't feel disappointed if you didn't do, you know, your half of your goals. Now just set up the last half, and then you know, once you have the last half goal, maybe it's a business goal. Hey, Melissa, welcome, welcome. You know, maybe it's a business goal, or a finance goal, or a weight loss goal, or whatever it may be. But make sure you break it down. Break it down. So you have the 6 month goal for the rest of the year, 6, 7 months. Boom. Then you break it down into some monthly goals. So okay, well I want to get maybe you want to lose 80 pounds. Well, over the next 6 or 7 months, boom, you got the goal. Now, okay, what are you gonna do on a monthly basis? What kind of goal are trying to reach for? Is it 20 pounds, 25 pounds? And then, you know, break it down to your weekly goals. Hey, I want to, you know, try to do this. And then you break it down to your daily goals. What are you daily going to get done so you can reach that big ultimate goal? Hey, Jennifer. Hey, Alicia. Welcome, welcome. And just keep this in your mind. When you do start pushing for everything that you're pushing for, it's not going to happen overnight. So you're not going to set the goal of wanting to lose 80 pounds, you know, getting an A in your course, you know, being better at shooting free throws, you know, getting better at catching the football. You know, you're not going to get like that. You're not going to achieve that business goal overnight. It's going to take some time. You're going to have to put in some work, some effort to get there, you know. And I say that because if you kind of been paying attention to this week, it kind of led up to where we are today and where we're going forward with it. You know, I talked about habits. I talked about choices, you know, because your choices and habits are key components to reaching your goals. The goal formula goes like this. It always starts off with a choice. And when I say a choice, I want you to think about the decision that the decision you made to join that business, the decision you made to lose weight. Is it for your health, to get in shape, just so when the summertime come, you know, you want to be able to take off your shirt and just feel relieved. Maybe it's the decision that you want to make an A in a course or a subject in school. Decision you want to become a better basketball player. Decision you made, hey, I'm gonna want to make varsity football or something of that nature. Whatever the decision is, or you know, whatever it is, the goal and dream that you have, it starts off with a decision. Number two, to the formula to being, you know, to reaching those goals and dreams is your action, your behaviors towards that goal and dream. Then you have the habit. what you're gonna do every single day. I mean, not today and then 7 days later. No, if you want that goal and dream bad enough, you're gonna make time for it every single day. I don't care if it's 15 minutes, 30 minutes a day. You make time. We as people make time and money for what we want. And so now it's time for you to make time and money to reach towards that goal and dream that you have. So, and when you got that habit, that's that repeated action. And then you got to mix this in there. You got to mix in the compound effect of everything. And when I say the compound effect of everything, that's the time that it's going to take. It may not happen today. It may not happen in a week. It may not happen in a month. It may happen 6 months down the line, a year down the line, 2 years down the line, 5 years down the line. What if it did take you 5 years and you became one of the best basketball players in the world? Maybe what if it did take you 5 years down the line and you graduated with a 4.0 GPA? What if it did take you 4 or 5 years down the line and you got a $1 million business going? Well, what else were you gonna do differently? See, it doesn't matter. You know, you gotta remember it's a compound effect. It may take time, just depending on your goal and dream that you have. And just some examples. I kind of wanted to break down this into a little aspect. Let's take a student that's in college, that's in high school, or something of that nature, and they're trying to pretty much make an A in the course. You know, make a higher grade than what maybe they used to making C's and they want to make an A. They want to take it to another level, or from making B's and they want to make an A. And so this is kind of like the concept with the formula I just broke down. Let's say you made the choice that's your choice. That's the decision you want to make. Boom. Now you got to start putting in your behavior, your actions. So you told yourself you were going to spend 1 hour a day studying. 1 hour a day studying, and maybe it's a math course, you know, and you want to study 1 hour a day to get better at it, Boom, you do that. You also hire your tutor that you're going to do every other 3 days, you know, just kind of like, you know, to get, you know, pushed up. Boom. You keep on rolling. Now you got your habits. You're doing it every single day. You're studying for an hour. You're studying for an hour. But also remember, your habits can also consist of you doing something good. But in order for you to do something good, most of the time you got to remove something bad that you do. So you got to remove your bad habits. So you as a student now, instead of watching 3 hours of TV or, you know, playing a video game for 3 hours, you giving that up so you can spend more time with your tutor. Instead of 3 hours, you knock it down to an hour. You give yourself an hour of pleasure. That's your hour of pleasure. You still do play the game and everything, but in 1 hour, you study. Another hour, you're getting a tutor. And you see what I'm saying? Now you're starting to develop good habits, but you remove some of the bad habits. Next thing is overtime. And you know, some classes 6 weeks, 9 weeks, 3 months, kind of depending on what school you go to and different things of that nature. But now you noticed how you're more prepared for your tests. You ace those tests. You do great. And next thing you know, you got an A in the course. And that's just an example. And that goes for different things like, you know, wanting to become a better basketball player. You spending more time on your free throws, dribbling with your left and right hand, learning, got a coach, a mentor. You know, also you at your job and you want to get a raise or you want to move to a different position, a higher position, and you just doing something every single day to better yourself, showing up at work on time, you know, networking within the company, learning who you need to talk to. Maybe you got your own business and you want to go from where you are right now and you want to make, you know, a decent amount of income. Maybe you want to make an extra $50,000 a year with your business or whatever it is, or hit a certain pin rate. Well, it all starts with you doing something every single day. You know, you having different goals, you over time. And so that's kind of just some of the examples. But like always, I love leaving you guys with some tips to help you accomplish these goals. And, you know, I got this out of a book, but it's actually something I've been implementing that's been able to help me out over time, you know, just achieving success in my business and, you know, just becoming a better person, getting in shape, and just all of those things. But it goes like this. Tip number one. You know, you got this goal. You have this dream of maybe you're in network marketing and you want to be one of the top income earners in your company, or you want to get to a certain level in your company, or maybe you want to become the class president. Maybe you got all these different goals that you have, or whatever it is. The tip number one is realize to achieve that goal in your life, that dream of your life, you're going to have to become somebody different to achieve that goal or dream. And I say that because doing what you're doing now hasn't gotten you to those goals and dreams. I'm just going to be real with you. And this is what I had to be real with myself. I had to look myself in the mirror and say, hey, you're going to have to change. You're going to have to do some things differently if you want to become that person, if you want to attract that person in your life. That's just the way it is. You're going to have to be willing to become somebody different to get there. Tip number two, find yourself a mentor. Find yourself somebody that's going to hold you accountable, a trainer, a mentor, a good friend that's on the journey with you, maybe a business partner, maybe a spouse, somebody that will hold you accountable and be real with you. Like, hey, you slacking. You know, somebody like that, you know. Tip number three. This is probably one of the biggest ones. I see a lot of people not achieving their goals and dreams in their life is because they make so many excuses about why they can't do it. Oh, I don't have enough time for that. Well, you don't want to lose weight bad enough. Well, I can't do that. Nobody's in my family ever done that. Well, if nobody's ever done it, why don't you be the first person to maybe graduate from college, maybe become a top income earner in the network marketing company, maybe be the first CEO of a company because you was able to move up in the rankings because you always bettered yourself. Quit making excuses, y'all. That's tip number three. Quit making excuses of why you can't do something. Because I'm telling you, the more excuses you make, the more you prolong your dream and push it off. And push it off. Because all you had to do was quit making excuses and do it anyway. Make time for it. You want to get in shape? Well, get up 30 minutes early. Give up sleep. Give up watching those TV shows. Give up making those snacks. You want to become a better basketball player? Well, quit playing that video game and get outside and practice. You want to become a better football player? Find yourself a coach. Find you somebody that's going to push you. You want to become a better salesperson, that maybe a car salesman? Well, develop the skills you need to talk to people. Become a better person so people would love to do business with you. You want to blow up your network marketing business? Well, grow as a person where you're attracting people and you're not just always, it seems like you're forcing your products and services on them. See what I mean? Quit making excuses and do it anyway. But that's all I have for y'all. I just wanted to come on here and drop off some knowledge. I hope you got value from this. And if you did, feel free to share this with a family or friend. That's what these are for. These are to help myself out, also to help you guys out. Because it's not only am I talking to y'all, I'm talking to myself when I'm sharing these. But I hope you did get value from this. And hey, share this with a family and friend. Hit share. If you got value from this, give me some hearts, some comments in the comments. Let me know you got value from it. But that's all I have for y'all. Peace out. I'll see y'all tomorrow.